Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today I got another package, and it's a baby package. So we have this kind of big box with a baby inside. Not a real baby, but you know. Now let's open it because I want to see what's inside. I've been waiting a couple days for this. There's a lot of paper. Nothing in the paper. Oh, there it is. Now I can move this box out of the way. And also this tissue paper, or whatever they call it. So this is the LPS. It looks like during the shipping, it moved a lot. Okay, so this LPS was made in 2005. So this means it was in this box for 16 years. So I don't think it's just the shipping. The elastic probably broke, so I can see some elastic right there. I mean, after 16 years, I would expect it to break. Look, there's more elastic there. Pretty much everywhere. But I mean, I expect it if it's been for 16 years in there. So let's get to opening it. Okay, so we got it open, and wow, that elastic definitely broke. You can just see how old that is. So here's that LPS's little like mousy toy, which I love that little mousy toy. It's very cute. So there it is, and then there's the back. It has a little tail. And then here is the baby LPS. I don't have any LPS like this. Well, I have like a gray LPS baby, but I don't have any LPS with this like. I really like this LPS. It's very good. And I love its toy. So this is the cart. The wheels move. It's kind of bouncy though. But I really like how it's so smooth. So let's put the baby in. And now, oops. Someone can push it. And also here is the thing that came with it. It's not really the thing that came with it. It just shows on the back all the LPS you can get. I have a lot of these LPS. Anyways, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!